In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reference ChatGPT in your assignments. As more students and professionals integrate AI into their research and writing, it's essential to appropriately credit these tools and their creators. Referencing AI models like ChatGPT in your work not only strengthens your academic integrity, but also enhances the value of your research by providing clear acknowledgement of all your sources. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow for a proper citation. First, you'll want to navigate to the last page of your assignment. This is where your reference list or works cited page typically resides. Established conventions like the APA or MLA citation styles usually instruct you to place your complete list of sources used throughout your work right at the end. It provides a clear overview of all your citations, and adding ChatGPT here helps maintain this structure. Now, for the details of the citation itself. Begin by listing the author of the content as OpenAI. OpenAI is the organization responsible for developing ChatGPT, so they should be credited as the creator. Next, you'll need to include the date, which should correspond to the year of the version you used. This is crucial since different versions of ChatGPT may have slight variances, and this helps indicate which one you relied on for your work. The title comes next. You'll write ChatGPT and be sure to italicize it. Italicizing titles is a standard practice in citation styles, highlighting it as a distinct title among your list of references. After the title, you should include the version number in parentheses. The version number gives precise information about which iteration of ChatGPT you used, essential for those who might review your sources. Following the version number, add a descriptor in brackets. For instance, you might use large language model. This descriptor provides context about what ChatGPT is, clarifying to readers its nature or function if they aren't already familiar with it. Lastly, don't forget to include the URL. The web address allows anyone reading your work to directly access ChatGPT or related pages for verification or further exploration. URLs are a critical component of digital era citations, enabling effortless access to your sources. In summary, citing ChatGPT involves going to the last page of your assignment, formatting the author as OpenAI, including the year corresponding to the version used, italicizing the ChatGPT title followed by the version number in parentheses, adding a descriptor like large language model, and finally, the URL. By following these steps, you ensure that your use of AI in academic assignments is transparent and responsibly acknowledged. Thanks for tuning in, and take care when constructing your references.